In e-commerce, it is exactly like in love life. Quick flings can be fun, but lasting relationships are far more rewarding. You start a relationship, and with a bit of effort, you persuade that person to buy from you. But they do it only once, and then you never hear from them again. According to available data, only 2 out of 10 customers place a second order on e-commerce websites. Is this the case with all companies out there? The short answer is no. The more successful ones are the ones not affected by this reality. Are they selling different products? No. Are they just lucky in finding all the loyal customers out there? No, not that either. Are they treating their customers differently? Yes, exactly. That's their secret recipe. They take care of their customers in order to keep them. And customer retention is what makes companies like Netflix, Amazon, or Starbucks dominate their particular markets. Do you monitor and optimize customer retention? You should, and now you can with Omniconvert Reveal.